I'm Cheryl Cave and currently I'm working as an editing assistant at Horse and Country TV. Best thing about my job is sort of with the editing you can always create something that can manipulate the audience, so you can manipulate their emotions, so you can make something very emotive or exciting. That's what I love most about editing. In Horse and Country we work as a team, and I'm quite a social person, so I really enjoy working with everyone here. We really support each other and everyone's really friendly and we all work together as a team. We sort of celebrate the highs and lows together. Being an apprentice really helped me to gain the technical experience that I needed. It helped me to progress more professionally and to sort of make the contacts that I needed. And I feel like I learned a lot more on the job than probably in an academic setting. Even though we did some academic work on the apprenticeship, it was more geared towards working in the industry environment.